Hey folks, Jonathan here. Working on this pocket valve engine. We're making the new pocket valve. Making the new pocket valve for it. The insert where it's broke. And anyway, I was going to use a different valve, but the way that it don't mushroom, it's so close to the guide, we can't do that. So we're going to use this old one, and had a hard time getting it off, but we'll get it back on. Got to get a different spring, but we're working on the assembly now. I'm just getting ready to cut the 45 degree for the valve, and I've got my seat cutter in. Chucked it in the chuck on the tailstock, and I've got a guide in it, which is a 1/4 inch, which is the same size as our valve guide. So we're going to see if we can get a surface cut 45 degree angle for that valve. Okay folks, here's what we've got so far. I've got it made all but putting the cuts around it. Some of these I've seen has had holes drilled through them, so I don't know how we'll do it. We'll figure it out. I'm going to go do a little research. Everything's done. It's cut for the valve seat, and I'm going to lap it in good. Valve fits really good, as you can see. And it don't open real far. I may do a little work on it, maybe take this off just a little bit more so it can open more, because when it comes down, it actually comes down until it hits this part, until this part comes down and hits against it. So that's how it controls how far it opens. Of course the spring, you know, if it bottomed out, that would stop it too. But anyway, we'll lap this in, get it, you know, straighten out real good, and we'll go ahead and get it set up on the other machine. I gotta set my dividing head back up, and then we're gonna cut them grooves or drill it or whatever we're gonna do. But for now, this is where we're at. Okay, here we go. There she is. I've just got the valve stuck in there. It's not in there permanent in any way. But about 212 thousandths lift is what this thing's got, so we're going to leave it at that. And we still got to lap it in too. But I'm going to get a different spring, of course. This is just a temporary spring, and I'm going to go ahead and do some. See if I can get it to go back down in there. We'll do some hand work around these holes to open them up a little bit, get a little better flow, and maybe angle them in and use a die grinder. But I think that'll work out really well. So we'll be done with this one soon, and then we can get the other valve out. And I think I've already done this valve. I think I actually ground it and lapped it in, but I can't remember, so I'm gonna take it back out and check it. This was an engine I had the complete engine, but like I said, the block's in bad shape. It's been cut on and stuff, but this engine was in a fire, and that's why that spring was the way it was. The heat, you know, took the tension out of it. I stretched it out just for my testing and stuff here, but we'll get it all back together like it should be with a new spring, and I think it'll work out just fine. But yeah, we won't have to worry about that. And I probably could have got by with the other one, just putting the piece in there and putting the gasket on it. I got to make a little gasket for the bottom side of this, and that goes on it. And then, like I said, this goes on it. And well, there was a gasket up there too, so it might be two thin gaskets that go on it. And then this will bolt over it, and we should be good to go. It fits right up inside, just like it's supposed to. Alright, a little better than it was, I suppose. Now another thing we're going to have to figure out is how we're going to go about running the carburetor onto this intake. I'm probably going to port this out some, clean it out. It's rough, and you see it was just rough casting. We'll figure something out on it. I would love to be able to mechanically hook it to it instead of just you know, with a rubber hose or something like that. So I'm not sure what I'm going to have to do. I don't know what size hole that is, if I could thread it and put a piece of pipe in it. But you know, I'd be necking it down if I'd done that, so I would want to make it bigger first. I'm just not sure how the original carburetor went on it because I didn't have one. But we'll figure something out on it. And cams should be in soon, so we'll see if we can get them on there and finished up. Alright, let's figure out what we're going to do next, and I'll show you. All right, kiddies, don't try that at home.